Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Getting Started with Python, a free coding tutorial. Introduction. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language that has gained immense popularity for its readability and simplicity. If you're looking to learn coding in Python for free, this tutorial is designed to guide you through the process with hands-on examples. Before diving into coding, you need to set up your development environment. Follow these steps. There are various online platforms that allow you to write and run Python code without any installations. Some popular choices include: if you prefer coding on your local machine, you can install Python. Visit the official Python website, https://www.python.org, and download the latest version compatible with your operating system. The installation process is straightforward, and there are plenty of resources online to help.